Jallo, I'm the lead economist from the Standard Development Bank. So I'm attending this the conference. It is basically the same conference we've been having, but this year it looks like UNDP is featuring prominently on it, which is a good thing. But I think the key thing is having all economists in the continent coming and sitting and discussing issues of development in Africa. And now, this one being on the green economy, I think it's very pertinent for the development of Africa. Africa is at a crossroads. Pundits have agreed that Africa is at a trajectory, at the launching pad of a trajectory that ensures economic development that we had been aspiring for. So being on the launch pad, I think all the resources that are available, including structural transformation to the green economy, is very substantial. It's going to be very substantial in harnessing the resources that will be available for this. It's a big challenge, but no challenge. Without a challenge, you wouldn't have the inspiration to do better. So you have to be challenged, and then you do your utmost. If there's no challenge, then you don't tend to do as much as you could. Yes.